In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an estimate to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and will save you time when managing your business finances. Let's dive right in to make sure you feel confident and comfortable with this task. First, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll see a variety of options here, but the one we're interested in is labeled Sales. Clicking on Sales will lead you to a section dedicated to managing everything related to sales, such as invoices, products, and of course, estimates. Once you've clicked on Sales, you'll want to navigate to the Estimates tab. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your estimates. This list includes estimates that are closed, pending, or marked as accepted. It's a great tool for keeping track of the status of your business proposals and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, to convert an estimate to an invoice, you will need to find the specific estimate you're looking to convert. Once you have located it on your list, look for a small caret icon associated with that estimate. This is typically found on the far right of the row. Clicking on this caret icon will reveal a menu of actions you can perform for that specific estimate. In this menu, you'll see the option Convert to Invoice. Click on that, and QuickBooks Online will begin the transformation process, turning that estimate into a ready-to-finalize invoice. After you've done this, the next step is to carefully check and finalize the information and details for the invoice. This stage is crucial because it involves confirming that everything from the numbers to the client details is accurate. Double-check the description of goods or services, quantities, rates, and any taxes or discount allocations. Ensuring all this information is correct before proceeding can prevent potential issues or disputes later on. With everything confirmed and accurate, you can proceed by clicking Review and Send. This step allows you to take one last look at the invoice in its final form and make sure it is perfect before it makes its way to your client. Once you're comfortable and satisfied with everything, you can send it off with confidence. And that's all it takes. You've successfully converted an estimate to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process can be done in just a few steps, allowing you to efficiently manage and track your transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in optimizing your business financial management. Be sure to subscribe for more useful QuickBooks Online tutorials.